Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make deep and crisp voice in Audacity. So first one is just simply select your track and tap on your keyboard Control A. And after that, go for the effect and then go for the pitch and tempo, go for change pitch. And now from here, you could just simply go ahead and click on this and go for the letter E. And now you could just simply change the percentage over here and you could just simply preview it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the
And now
channel.
you could just simply click on apply once you are satisfied. And in order for your voice to crisp, and now in order for your voice to make crisp sound, go for the effect, go for the EQ and filters, go for the filter curve EQ, go for the presets and settings, go for the factory preset, and go for the bass boost and click on apply. Now go for the effect again, go for the EQ and filters, go for the filter curve, go for the preset again, and go for the factory preset. And now go for the treble boost. And after that, click on apply and then go back to that effect again. And after that, go for the presets and settings, go for this one. And now go for the low roll off for speech and click on apply. And there you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the
There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.